All right, Dave, welcome. How are you?
Good. Warmed up, hit a few.
You ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right, so we're going to have a little bit of time to work together. We're going to do a bunch of different lessons. We're going to do a full assessment on your game, top to bottom, see where I think that you're losing some shots. We're going to tune up your swing a little bit, get that consistency. We're going to go through your short game, work on getting the ball up and in as much as possible. Really try to tighten your game up a little bit.
Right.
Try to bring you down a couple of shots and help you save a few around that you've been losing.
That'd be perfect.
So, all right. So why don't we have you hit a couple swings? I'll take a quick look at you, see where we're at.
Okay.
All right.
Be doing with every shot.
Exactly. And I think you're starting. You know, obviously, you know, you're already an accomplished golfer. We're not revolutionizing your swing here. We don't want to make drastic changes. What's going on is good. You've got a good golf swing. I think that little tweak will make a huge difference in the golf swing, though. I think that's what we focus on from a full swing standpoint going forward right now, and yeah, I think you're gonna be good going forward.
Now it's just time to get fit.
Yeah, I think that's the fun part. It's gonna be like Christmas, right?
I know.
It's time to go get new golf clubs if that's all right with you, right?
I'm fine with it. I don't know if my girlfriend will like it.
Well, that'll be great. All right, Dave. Well, that was excellent.
Cool.
So we'll go from there. All right.
Sounds good.
Excellent. All right, Dave. Well, welcome back to round two. While we're waiting to get you fit for your new sticks, I figured we'd touch on your short game. I know that it's a strength of yours, but we can always use a little tuning. And I've thought we could work from the pitching aspect. This is going to help us with two things: working on these intermediate shots, you know, 20 to 70 yards. Just working on your distance control, your ability to repeat distances. Really going to help you dial in your short game when you get out on the golf course. You know, obviously we're trying to tune your swing. You know, that you're not going to see the benefits of that unless you work on the short game as well. You know, we can bomb it off the tee and hit it straight all day, but ultimately when we get in tight and we have a wedge in our hands, you need to be able to rely on that to get yourself close and get up and in. All right. Just want to go ahead and warm up, hit a couple shots here. If you want to go ahead, we've got a bunch of different targets, so just pick one to warm up to. You know, my suggestion would be to pound some wedges. Obviously, we're looking to get you fit for clubs here coming up. You know, until then, your wedge game should be a priority. I would say that the more you can come out here, you know, and vary your distances, vary the shots that you're hitting, hit different wedges, you know, repeat these drills with different clubs. Those types of things moving forward are going to help you with a consistency factor once you get onto the golf course.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Great.
Perfect.
All right, Dave, welcome back.
Thank you.
We've gotten the important part done. We got you fit for clubs.
New sticks.
So we got you into all X-Flex
Yeah.
stuff, which I think we've seen, you know, we're going to see some big difference there.
Yeah.
So I've been looking forward to today, getting your Christmas presents out of the bag.
Me too. I was just when I was walking up here, I realized this club, my 8. I've never hit it before. It was like brand new, out of the box, hadn't been touched. So.
That's great. All right, Dave. Well, we're wrapping up this lesson, lesson number 3. I think, given what we've worked on with your swing, given the fact that we fit you into clubs that I truly believe are going to be better for your golf game.
Yep.
I think you're in a good place right now.
Yeah.
I think we're ready to start to transition some of these things on the golf course. I think we're going to try to take this into a playing lesson scenario for the next 2. We'll get out there, we'll talk about the same sorts of things we've been talking about, but really now focusing on transitioning to the golf course, working on our game management as we've started to talk about some here, and taking you know, this nice new golf swing of yours and the new clubs out onto the course and reaping some of the benefits.
It's a whole new Dave.
It's the fun part though, right?
Yeah.
That's absolutely the fun part.
Yeah, because it just pays off.
Sure.
You know, to be able to get the flight that I wanted, to get the accuracy that I want. Distance will come around.
Yeah.
You know, but it's.
Well, certainly.
I'm
I think
completely fine with
you are absolutely moving in the right direction, though. I think, you know, some of these changes seem rather minor, and they are. You know, we're not revolutionizing your swing plane or anything of that. The impact's been good. It's really been about the stabilization, and obviously we've fixed a club problem. So I'm very excited. So I'm ready to move forward if you are.
I'm ready.
All right. Excellent.
Ready.
Excellent. Well, great. We'll go from here then. All right.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Here we go. All right. Welcome back, Dave.
Thank you.
Ready to go?
Ready.
Perfect. All right, so we're gonna do a little work on the course today. Try to take some of the stuff that we've talked about on the range, particularly with your swing, creating some stability off the tee with your irons, and then tightening up the short game a little bit, going over some situational stuff there, and really talking about course management and trying to really harness all of your potential as far as your ability is concerned, and translate that into an effective golf game on the course. So we're going to start first. We got a great par 4 here. Obviously, a little bend to the left. Perfect setup for you with your little cut.
Yep.
So we're really just going to focus on that stability. We want the weight shift, but we don't want to start sliding. We just want that rotation. Let's see how we do it.